Good morning. I'm here on South Holston Lake. I guess I'm going to give the panfish a shot this morning because I forgot to re-spool my reel. So I'm going to try out these Bobby Garland 1.25 itty bit swimmers and bluegrass color. Should be able to catch at least a few on these. I got one finally. I had to burn this thing. I was going almost full speed and he come up and smacked it. Oh man. Wow. I wasn't expecting a smallie on that. Oh gosh. A little green. Another one, a little smaller. There we go. There we go. That's a little one. He was chasing it though. Oh, he bit my tail off. Well, later, dude. Yeah, the tails don't seem to be too durable. They're working though. There we go, finally. That's a good one. Really good colors on him. Let's see. Easy, buddy. There we go. Trying to get you a good view. Oh. Now I gotta play rescue the fish. So the jig head I'm using here is the 1/64 ounce trout magnet jig head. And I'm coming to about the back of the body. Just like this. Push it up to the top and then it's got plenty of action. Another little green sunfish. I haven't gotten a bite in some time now, so I decided to take this gulp juice that I had left over and stick the lure and the jig head in there. And I've been letting it sit for a few minutes, so now we'll try it and see if that helps. There we go. Got one jigging it in that hole there. Easy. There we go. Hey, there we go. Another one. There we go. Oh, he got away. There, he's got it. I seen him get that. Little green sunfish. Yeah. There we go. Later. Oh, I got another one. So small. Oh, on the outside. Got him in the bottom. Try to be real careful about it. There we go. Oh, there you go. I got another small one while I wasn't recording there. Little guy. You know, overall, these ended up catching fish, but it's like the tails are a little bit too easy to tear up, not durable enough. I think I would buy them if they were on sale again. I do like the color though. I know that color works really well for me. Like a blue and chartreuse, they call it bluegrass. So far today, I've caught the majority of them just kind of vertical jigging this, like in rocks and cover. And got the occasional moving bite on it as well. I think it's time for me to say bye for now. If you had a good time with me, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. I put out new fishing videos every Sunday. And thanks for watching.